How to allow or block app permissions to have access to critical messages on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we then scroll down. In here, tap on Critical Messages. And here it says apps that have requested permission to send critical messages as text messages will appear here. Now, because my list is empty, I cannot turn on or turn off any of the apps that have permission to critical messages. If previously there are any apps that request access to these features, it will appear in the list here. And from the list, you can then choose to grant or deny permission to have access to critical messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.